Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this freestyle outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in dress and press. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this dark brown color. And you're going to put on this necklace, this one, and also this one. Okay, and then you're going to put on this hat. And then you're going to apply this pattern, this one, and combine it with the pink color. Okay, and this is for the color code you can use. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the jeans area. It's right here. I'm going to put on this jeans and then I'm going to remove the flower. I'm going to remove the flower like this and then I'm going to, and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the jeans. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the skirt area and I'm going to select the skirt. Okay, then I'm going to apply the same pattern for the first selection and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this shoes. Okay, make it black and select this corset. And for this corset, I'm going to apply this color for the first selection. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to combine it with this pink brown color. This is for the color code. And for the third selection, make it this color. And also for the ribbon. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to the changing room. And then I'm going to go to the codes item right here, put on this jacket, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this pattern, and then I'm going to put on this bag. I'm going to make it to go across body and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection and for the next section I'm going to apply the pink color, this one, and I'm going to combine it with this pink color. Oops, not this one. I'm going to apply this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to this menu and then select this dress and I'm going to make it skirt only, and for the first selection I'm going to apply this pattern and for the next selection I'm going to apply this pattern and for the ribbon make it this pattern. Alright, and I'm going to put on this top and I'm gonna make it toggle free. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. And for the next selection, make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.